guys, this is my first time doing this. I've never had this. Special
This
dinner
is
promo.
the box.
Oh my god, it looks amazing.
Ooh.
I think this is how it should be done. Yeah.
Ah,
let's
okay.
go. Oh yeah. Looks intelligent enough. There you go.
So the top pops off.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at this, guys.
Oh, it's interesting.
Super interesting.
So you've got, is there an onion ring in there?
Yeah. Looks like one.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Very, very elegantly done.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Buon appetito.
Let's dig in.
So we've got another one here. Well, let's see. Ooh, doesn't that look interesting?
This is better than Louisiana.
Yeah.
In a way, KFC Boxmaster.
I think it's bigger, isn't it?
Mmm.
Okay, excellent. So KFC it is.
Different.
So this is the new, let me tip around there. KFC Boxmaster from KFC. Sounds like a plan. So there is a 2-for-1 on this, but you have to be a member of T-Mobile.